Hello everyone, my name is Cathy Erhu. Welcome to Cathy Erhu 101 Erhu class. I hope you have already reviewed my video on switching position. Let's go over it again. Today I show you how to easily learn how to shift, and I give you 2 exercises that I will make you a great shifter. Your arm is a unit, it's a frame you may want to say. So its frame is moved around on your erhu. All of your fingers and your wrist and the shape of your hand, everything else stays the same, and you're moving as unit of fingers around on your instrument. You don't want to think of your fingers moving independently of each finger. Everything moved together. There is a couple rules of shifting. First rule says, keep your wrist straight. The second rule says, your thumb and first finger are the foundation of the frame. They stay together, never leave each other's side. This lesson tips: move a unit of fingers. Do not break the wrist. Keep the thumb and the index finger together when you're shifting. So here is an exercise. This exercise is great. You can do every time you pick the erhu up. Just do the over and over again, like a warm-up. It's gonna shifting a lot easy. Okay, in first position, play the first finger, then the third finger. To hear the correct pitch you will be shifting to. Then play the first finger again and shift to first finger in third position. Then shift back down to first finger in first position. You can repeat on all strings. I will show you. Exercise 2. In first position, play the first finger, then the third finger. Then play the first finger again and shift to first finger in third position. While in third position, play 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then shift back down to first finger in third position. I will show you. Do these exercises every day and insist on shifting properly while playing your pieces, scales, and you will be confident with your shifting in no time. Are you ready? Don't worry, let's try. Page 106, number 2. Just pay attention. In first line, there is number 7. After 7, we're gonna switch to second position. Second line, there are number 4 and number 5. We will use same finger, little finger, to play number 4 and 5. Last line, there are number 7 again. We do not go back to first position. We're still in second position. Use the little finger to play number 7. And our right hand will play D string, inside string. Okay, let's start. See you soon!